Just have a look. Give me 9 minutes and I will show you how to turn any reference image into a professional, fully editable Canva design. Even if you have zero design experience, we will create a social post, portfolio showcase, and one bonus design you can actually sell. And unlike a flat AI image, we will open the result inside Canva and edit the text, colors, and layout. First, we will generate the design, then fix it inside Canva. And finally, I will show you how this can become a simple freelance offer. So let's dive in. We will be using ChatGPT first. And first, I will connect Canva via MCP. So from the ChatGPT, go to Settings, and inside the plugins, you will find Browse plugin. And now I'm gonna search for Canva. Here, just click on the plus icon to connect this Canva with ChatGPT. Maybe your interface looked different while you're watching. Just remember, our goal here is to connect Canva with ChatGPT. Now, let's imagine your client is a restaurant owner. He sent you a burger image and also sent you a reference image you like. So let's now go to ChatGPT first. As we are generating the design with ChatGPT, we need to select the high model for the best result. Now select Create an image. Then write the prompt. Don't worry, I will provide the prompt. You will find the prompt in the description. Here we are using AI smartly. Instead of saying create a restaurant image, you are directing it in the right way. Also, if you have any heading text, button text, or color text in your mind, write them in this way, or just completely remove them. This prompt is simply a guideline for creating an Instagram promotional post. You can readjust this post according to your client desire. Okay, let's now copy this from here, and then go back and paste the prompt here. And now it's time to attach those two images which client has sent to me. And now simply click on the send button. And you see it starts working. Just wait here until your design will be ready. And here it is. It looks amazing and it's stunning. Now we need to take this design inside Canva. To take this design inside Canva, we need Canva link. And as we are connected with Canva, I'm gonna write here @Canva. And after that, I'm gonna write here, let's make this image all text and design elements editable in Canva. Okay, now click on Canva link and open it inside Canva. And here it is. You can change this image position according to your need. And if you want, you can change any text. And if you don't want, you can also remove it from here. And one more thing, if you want to change the text of the color, you can change it from here. You can just select any color from here. Even if you want, you can change the text. Like, instead of autumn now, I'm gonna make it grab it. So this is how we can make changes inside Canva. Okay, that was a social post. But the next example is more useful if you are a freelancer, web designer, or agency owner. Imagine you are a designer or developer and want to show your work to a client. Simply sending these responsive website screenshots doesn't look very professional. Instead, you can place those screenshots into realistic mobile mockups and create a clean project showcase. So to make this mockup, I'm gonna use this reference image just to give an idea to ChatGPT. You can use any reference as you like. Okay, now I'm gonna add those two responsive screenshots and the reference image. So from here, first select create image, and then I'm gonna add those two images. So you can see this is my responsive screenshots and this is my reference image. I'm gonna select all of this and click on open. And after that, I'm gonna add here prompt. So this is the prompt and it's also self-explanatory. And as this is customizable, you can change the project type, brand name, or designer name. You can make changes according to your need. So now just copy this from here and then go back to the ChatGPT and paste the prompt here. And after a while, you see it's ready. Now you can add it to your portfolio or send it to your client. It looks much more premium and helps to make a first impression to your client. And now, if you want, you can take this to your Canva. And you know very well, first we need to type here at the rate and then Canva. And then type here, let's make this image editable in Canva and give me the Canva link. Okay, now here you'll find Canva link. You can also edit this as your own way. So this is how you can make raw screenshot into a portfolio showcase. Now you know how to create the deliverable. But creating the work is only one step. Most beginners struggle with finding the right client, positioning their services, and writing proposals that get replies. That is exactly what I teach step by step inside Freelancing Mastery. I will leave the details below. Now, let me show you one more design that makes this workflow even more powerful. A client usually doesn't need only one post. They may need 15 or 20 branded posts every month. So let's turn this single design into a small contact pack. We already have the promotional post. So now I will add as that design again and ask ChatGPT to use it as the brand style reference. But instead of copying the same layout, we will turn it into a customer testimonial post. So make sure you are just in your first chat. And now I'm gonna attach the previous generated image as a brand guideline. So first, I'm gonna select from here create image and then click on the plus icon and then click here. And now I'm gonna select this. And after that, I'm writing here the prompt. And here's the prompt. As this is customizable, you can customize it as your own way. Like you can change the main heading or customer name. Even if you want, you can change the rating. Just like for the button text, instead of try today, you can make it order now. So you can make changes according to your desire. Now I'm gonna copy this from here and then paste it here. And you see it has created for you. Okay, now it's time to create another educational post for the same brand. So make sure you're in your first chat. And then from here, select create image. And now I'm gonna add previously generated image. Then I'm gonna add this prompt. As this is educational post, this contains educational tips. You see? And the best part, you can change these educational tips according to your need. So just copy this from here and then paste it here. And here it is. So don't just ask ChatGPT, guide it properly. Clear prompts create powerful results. So there is 3 prompt rules. Use references for layout, hierarchy, and mode. Don't ask it to duplicate someone's copyrighted brand assets exactly. Create an Instagram promotion for a fitness coach targeting beginner clients. Heading, subheading, CTA, brand name, either replace them with your content, otherwise remove them from prompts. Don't sell graphics design. Sell an outcome. I will create and organize 20 branded social posts every month for your business. That sounds clearer, more valuable, and easier for a client to understand. So this was the fast version. If you want a complete free Canva plus AI masterclass where I create an entire brand content system from scratch, comment Canva AI. If enough of you ask for it, I will make the full course next. Till then, keep practicing and improving. For now, bye bye.